In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get a free PSN code worth $100. You can get a PlayStation gift card for completely free, and it literally takes just a few minutes of your time, guys. I'm going to be showing you today how to get free PSN digital gift card codes in 2024, and you can get up to $100, and it literally is super simple. Everyone can do this, guys. I discovered this method today, and I'm going to share it with you now. So you need to use a mobile phone for the process, so make sure you have a mobile phone with an internet connection, guys. Very important you do use a mobile. And you're going to want to go to this website on your phone, www.wavyrewards.com. So Wavy Rewards, guys, this is a brand new rewards website that I discovered, and essentially you can get tons of free things just by following these instructions and completing 2 tasks. So basically you complete 2 tasks and you will be rewarded with tons of different things that you can have a choose between. So basically it says, you click the button to see your selection of tasks. Make sure you're on a mobile phone. So you're going to want to click this button, and then you have to choose and complete 2 of the tasks and follow the instructions. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead, choose and claim your desired reward. In this case, of course, it's a free PSN gift card code. So go ahead and click on this button. Now you're going to see this screen here. Claim your reward. We need to complete 2 of the tasks below and make sure to follow the instructions. So you can see here, guys, I've got a list of different tasks. You may see slightly different ones because, of course, these are country dependent. So, for example, if I wanted to go ahead and do this one, I'd click on it and there's some instructions. It says download the game and complete level 9. So that's what I would have to do if I chose that one. For example, this one here says answer the questions and fill in some details. So this one is like a survey. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks. Let me just pause the video so it's not too long, and then I'll return once I've done them. Okay. So I've just went ahead and I completed a couple of these tasks on this page. Very important you do follow all of the instructions and fully complete them, because if you've done that, now I'm going to go ahead and hit my tabs button, and you can see I've now got access to this website here, guys, where it allows me to choose between tons of different rewards. So what I've done there is I've searched for the PlayStation page. So this is where you need to navigate your way to once you've completed 2 of those things. And now you can select whatever you want here. I'm going to choose the $100 free PSN gift card code. Go ahead, click on the show coupon, and there you go. I have now got my free PSN code, which I can simply redeem in the PlayStation Store for $100. So all you need to do, guys, is go to Wavy Rewards. Make sure you do follow all of these instructions and fully complete 2 tasks, and you will be rewarded. So enjoy. Let me know what you spend your free PSN gift card code on. Any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Smash the like button, and that is how you can get free PSN codes in 2024. Enjoy, guys.